Playets. It's your boy Codehova with Fly Combinator. We're going to be pimping Swift. And in this video, we're going to talk about foreign loops with dictionaries. All right. So let's say we have this dictionary where it's a dictionary of string keys and string values. So we have just 3 key value pairs. And how do we do the foreign loop? It's very similar to arrays and sets when they're enumerated, because we're gonna want to enumerate and iterate over the key value pairs in a dictionary. So we start off with writing the keyword for, and in parentheses we're gonna talk about key and value in the collection object, which is dictionary. All right. So within this, we're gonna have a print statement. All right. So we're going to say print, and we're going to use string interpolation. So it's going to be a string saying the definition of the word key is, and then we're going to talk about the value. All right, so let's see what prints out. So it says the definition of the word LOL is laughing out loud. The definition of the word dope is anything Fly Combinator creates. The definition of the word thought is that hoe over there. So, when we're dealing with dictionaries, there is no order. So it's just like I said, there's no order. So we have it as thought, LOL, dope. But when we run the for-in loop, it's completely, it's its own order. All right. So that's what we're dealing with. And let's say we wanted to enumerate the values in a dictionary. We don't have to use a key, because you write the key value here. There's no requirement for you to use everything. So what we could do is we could just print out the value itself. All right. When we print out the value, it's going to give you a reminder saying, hey, you never used the key. You might want to replace it. So if you want to ignore, if you know that you're going to write a foreign loop and you're going to ignore a key, or you're going to ignore a value, all you need to do is write underscore, and then that warning is going to disappear. Not a warning, but an alert saying, yo, you never use this to make your code cleaner. Why don't you just get rid of it? Because someone might misuse it, right? Or someone might use it, or you might use it in a way that you didn't intend to. So if you're not using something, you could just underscore it. All right. So it's key. We're going to print out all the keywords, the keys, which is LOL, dope, and thought. Okay. So that is working with dictionaries. Iterating dictionaries with foreign loops. All right, so let's get it popping.